In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy stock on Thinkorswim. We'll be using Thinkorswim Web, and the process is straightforward once you know where each option is located. If you're new to the platform, just follow along carefully and take a moment to review each detail before placing any order. First, go to Thinkorswim Web and open the Trade tab. Once you're there, select All Products. This section gives you access to the stock search and trading tools you'll need to place your order. Next, enter the stock symbol in the symbol box. This is also called the ticker symbol. For example, you might type in something like AAPL, TSLA, or NVDA. After typing the symbol, press enter to load the quote. This will bring up the stock's current pricing information so you can move forward with the trade. Once the quote appears, click the ask price to create a buy order. The ask is the price sellers are currently offering the stock for, so selecting it tells the platform that you want to buy. It's helpful to remember that if you click the bid price instead, that creates a sell order, so make sure you're choosing the ask when your goal is to purchase shares. After that, you'll move to the order entry panel to set up the details of your order. Start by entering the number of shares you want to buy, then choose your order type. A market order buys the stock at the best available price at that moment. This is quick, but the final execution price can change slightly in a moving market. A limit order, on the other hand, buys only at the price you specify, or better. This gives you more control over the price, which many traders prefer. When your order details are filled in, click Confirm and Send. This is your chance to carefully review everything before submitting the trade. Double check the stock symbol, the quantity, the order type, and the estimated cost. Taking a few extra seconds here can help you avoid simple mistakes. If everything looks correct, click Send. Your order will then be submitted to the market. And that's how to buy stock on Thinkorswim Web. As a final tip, always make sure you understand the order you're placing before sending it, especially when choosing between a market order and a limit order. Thanks for watching.